We live in a society today where stress has become a way of life. We're a nation of chronic stress, and it's estimated that 60 to 90% of all doctors' visits are in some way related to stress. According to the American Institute of Stress, an estimated 1 million workers are absent on an average workday because of stress-related complaints. Our bodies are geared to handle a certain amount of stress. It's what they were made to do. And a little bit isn't always a bad thing. But our bodies are not made to handle a constant stream of stress. At some point, we have to come down. So while we can't always change the level of stress in our lives, we can help our bodies manage it with natural, effective supplements like True Stress Support by TrueStar. Prolonged periods of stress actually have a detrimental effect on our bodies, causing fatigue, appetite changes and weight gain, frequent colds, sleep disruption, mood changes, the list goes on. And these side effects are due to the release of our stress hormone, cortisol. So we need that cortisol to be released, but the levels are supposed to come down when the stress is relieved. It's when we have constant stress and the constant high levels of cortisol that we start to see those negative side effects. Cortisol will shut off the function of our other systems in order to address the current stress we're in, compromising our digestion, our immune system, our endocrine system. So when we're constantly running in emergency mode, your mind and body pay the price. That's why it's so important that we manage our stress levels. True Stress Support by TrueStar can help address the symptoms of stress we experience as well as balance the physiological effects. It's a blend of B vitamins, which are needed to produce energy, working to eliminate fatigue naturally and giving you a needed boost. The B vitamins also play a role in mood elevation. But the key ingredient in True Stress Support is the patent-pending product Relora. It's a blend of 2 botanicals that will assist the body in responding to stress as well as regulating the levels of our stress hormone, cortisol. It works from the inside. It doesn't just treat the symptom, but it gets to the root cause of the problem and helps bring our body back to normal so you can be ready to take on all those daily stressors.